Hello and welcome to Coffiko Crossing. My name is Sarah and we're just getting started today. We're going to be decorating the top of the cliffs from the previous video. So this is our part 2 where we're finishing off this entryway build and we're just getting right into it. I am starting off with the tree trick, one of my favorite things to do on cliffs. If you didn't see it on my last video, I show it a little bit better, like where you can see what I'm doing a little more, and I slow it down. With this video, I kind of went pretty fast over it, so if you'd like to see the tree trick, then you can go back to the other video and watch it in part 1. So this one's going to be pretty straightforward. We're just decorating and filling out these cliffs. And I'm going to pretty much let you guys just watch for this one. For this build, kind of just like the other one, I started off with a lot of pathing and kind of wanted to get my area set before I did anything else. And I changed things several times. I changed things and moved things around so much in this build. I feel like cliffs are so difficult because there's such little space to make it feel full, but also functional where you can walk around and not get stuck, because I don't like getting stuck up on cliffs. So you're going to see a lot of me moving things around and changing things, and that's okay. It's all part of the process of just getting it the way that you want it for your design. I feel like I really hung on to my weeds and flowers to fill this build out. It just felt like that was natural. That's what needed to go on these cliffs, and not so many items. Much more natural elements, weeds, flowers, bushes, that sort of thing. I also wanted to mention that if there's anything specific that you would like to see or that you have questions on, I know I've sped through these last 2 builds pretty fast, but if there's specific content that you would like to see, leave a comment. I would love to hear it and maybe be able to incorporate some of that. I'm always looking for ideas of different videos to make, so I would love to hear your suggestions. I think this area may have been where I was the most indecisive, but I'm so happy with how it ended up turning out. The little couch is so cute, and it just is a nice little area to sit and overlook everything, and I love it. This is another example of indecisiveness. I wanted it to look like all overgrown and woodsy up here, but I felt like the wheat field was just maybe a little too much. And once those weeds grow and they're kind of more overgrown, I think it's going to give the exact effect that I'm looking for. I feel like that in some of the areas, the weeds are small, but they're going to grow and make it look more overgrown and woodsy and cute over time. This spot right here with the blanket is so cute. I love this custom path. Also, if you would like to have this custom path, I will be linking that in the description box, along with the other paths that I've used in this build. I realize I didn't put them in the description of the last video, so I'm just gonna link everything that I used in this video so that you guys can have access to that. And this is the final step. We are through. I love how this build turned out. It was super cute and cozy, naturey, just everything that I was looking for my entrance. So make sure to like and subscribe if you liked this video, and keep an eye out because there will be more to come. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!